You know that feeling, right?
Yeah.
That one shirt or maybe those linen pants that just, refuse to look properly ironed.
Yeah, ironing is, well, it's pretty much universally hated.
Exactly. But sometimes you just need that crisp, put-together look.
Right, mandatory for certain things.
Which is why today we're really digging into this Aironox Automatic Ironing Machine. It's marketed as, like, the ultimate shortcut. Professional results, no hassle.
Sounds ambitious.
So our mission, is to look at the sources and figure out,
Yeah.
is this thing the amazing time saver it claims to be?
Yeah.
Does it actually deliver? Or is it just, well, is it scam or legit?
Okay.
The core promise is pretty huge. Smooths out shirts, trousers, stuff like that in maybe 8 to 12 minutes. No traditional iron needed.
All right, let's break down the tech then, because how it works is key here, I think.
Yeah.
It seems to rely on two main things: magnetic clips and warm air drying. It's basically like an inflatable torso form for your shirt, but using warm air.
A giant air balloon for your shirt, yeah.
Ugh.
They're selling convenience, pure and simple. And they claim professional quality, throw in warranties, bundle deals sometimes.
But the appeal isn't just saving time, it's the effort, right?
Totally.
And that's where the mechanics are interesting. Normal ironing. Heat, pressure, flatten the fibers.
Right.
This Aironox thing, it uses tension and drying. Those magnetic clips pull the shirt or whatever taut.
Okay.
Gets rid of the big folds. And the warm air is like a steamer and dryer combined.
So it sounds super easy to use. Clip it, hit start, walk away.
Exactly. That low effort barrier is a massive selling point, especially if you're, busy or just hate ironing that much.
Okay, but let's pivot. What does it actually deliver? What does the evidence say?
Well, the analysis shows it's pretty decent for light wrinkles, especially on synthetics, maybe lighter cottons.
Light wrinkles, okay.
Yeah, it definitely tidies things up. Good for a quick refresh, maybe for a casual day at the office. Useful for those everyday touch-ups.
Wait a second, though. If it takes 8, maybe 12 minutes and only handles light wrinkles, are you really saving time? Or just doing something different?
That's the core question, isn't
No,
it?
because the big limitation seems to be that it can't give you that really crisp, sharp look, right? That, like, executive level press.
That is the trade-off, absolutely.
Yeah.
Because there's no direct flat pressure involved.
Yeah.
The Aironox just can't set a sharp crease. Think cuffs, collars, trouser legs.
Right.
Our sources are pretty clear. If you need that perfectly professionally pressed look, you'll probably still need to touch it up with a regular iron afterwards.
So it's great for convenience, makes things tidier, but it's not a full replacement for getting things perfect.
Precisely. It simplifies things, but doesn't achieve perfection on its own.
Okay, let's zoom out a bit. What about the whole buying experience? We're seeing mixed reviews out there, lots of happy customers, sure, but also quite a few reports of, like, shipping delays, problems with customer service.
And that connects to the bigger picture, those logistical things. They're really important for you to consider.
How so?
Well, delivery can often take quite a while, weeks sometimes, because these things usually ship internationally, often from overseas warehouses.
Okay. Not exactly next day delivery.
Not at all. And if you run into an issue, maybe tracking the shipment or needing support, dealing with customer service across different time zones without maybe strong local support can be a headache.
Yeah. That convenience of saving ironing time could get eaten up pretty fast by chasing a delivery.
It's a definite practical point to weigh up.
So wrapping this up then, the Aironox seems like a useful tool if convenience is your main goal. It reduces the effort for light wrinkles, makes clothes look tidier.
Yep, saves you maybe that Sunday afternoon ironing marathon if you just want things generally neat.
But it's not the magic bullet for achieving that flawless, perfect look every single time.
Exactly. It's a legitimate piece of automation, seems like, but it comes with those caveats. The wrinkle level, the potential shipping weight. So it leaves you with a question, really. When you weigh the cost, maybe the wait for delivery, against the time you save on light wrinkles, what's more important to you? Is it speed? Is it reducing effort? Or is it getting that absolutely perfect, crisp finish? That's something to think about as you decide which bits of automation, which shortcuts are actually worth bringing into your life, worth the investment, and maybe worth the wait.